Hello everyone, welcome back to the Nisit Knowledge Junction. Today we will discuss about 50 important questions from metal casting. This is very helpful for SSC JE, RRB JE and any other state government examination. So let's start. First question is the process of pouring molten metal into a mold is called. The options are forging, casting, rolling, extrusion. The correct option is your casting. The question is the most commonly used molding material in sand casting is. The options are clay, silica sand, chrome sand, graphite. The correct answer is B, silica sand. The third question is the hollow space in a mold where metal flows is called. The options are riser, pattern, mold cavity, gate. The correct answer is mold cavity, the option C. The fourth question is the most commonly used material for patterns. The options are plastic, wood, steel and wax. The correct option is your wood. The fifth question is the function of riser is to. The options are increase fluidity, removes gases, feed molten metal to compensate shrinkage, cool the casting. The correct option is feed molten metal to compensate shrinkage. The option C. So question number 6 is permanent mold casting uses. The options are sand molds, metal molds, plaster molds or ceramic molds. The correct answer is metal molds. The question number 7 is getting system is used to. The options are cool metal, direct molten metal to mold cavity, strengthen mold, dry mold. The option B is the correct answer. Direct molten metal to mold cavity. The question number 8 is removal of pattern from mold is called fettling, shake-out, pattern withdrawal, machining. The correct option is C, pattern withdrawal. The question number 9 is blowholes occur due to. The options are excess moisture, high pouring temperature, trapped gases or insufficient metal. The correct option is trapped gases. The question number 10 is green sand is composed mainly of. The options are bentonite, silica sand, coal dust, resin. The correct answer is B, silica sand. The question number 11 is the casting process with best surface finish. The options are sand casting, die casting, investment casting or cell molding. The correct answer is C, investment casting. So question number 12 is vents in molds help in. The options are increasing strength, removing metal, escape of gas and cooling metal. The correct option is escape of gases. The question number 13 is a replica of object to be cast is called. The options are core, pattern, riser, sprue. The correct answer is pattern. The option number B. Question number 14 is permeability of sand depends on. The options are grain size, color of sand, pouring temperature, type of metal. The correct answer is grain size, that is option A. So question number 15 is molten metal forced under pressure in die casting, sand casting, investment casting or plaster casting. The correct answer is A. This is your die casting. The question number 16 is core is used to form. The options are outer shape, hollow part, mold base और riser. core किसके लिए यूज होता है? Correct option is B, hollow part. core यूज होता है hollow part को बनाने के लिए. Question number 17. Cohesiveness means. Options are ability to flow, ability to stick together, ability to absorb moisture, ability to resist heat. The correct answer is B, ability to stick together. So question number 18 is top opening for pouring metal. The options are gate, riser, screw or pouring basin. The correct answer is D, your pouring basin. So question number 19 is your shrinkage allowance compensate for decrease weight, reduce porosity, metal concentration or avoid gas defect. The correct answer is C, your metal penetration. Question number 20 is your cope and track referred to. The options are mold materials, upper and lower mold boxes, riser and screw, gate and runner. The correct answer is B, upper and lower mold boxes. Question number 21 is your sand grain size is found using. The options are hardness test, impact test, sieve analysis or tensile test. The correct option is C, sieve analysis. Question number 22 is your investment casting uses wax pattern, wooden pattern or metal pattern or plastic pattern. The correct answer is your wax pattern. Investment casting के लिए wax pattern use होता है. Question number 23, the hollow cylindrical parts without core made by your die casting, centrifugal casting, sand casting or permanent mold casting. The correct option is your B, that is your centrifugal casting. Question number 24 is green sand is mixture of. The options are sand and resin, sand, clay and moisture, sand and wax, sand and cement. The correct answer is B, sand, clay and moisture. The question number 25 is your common furnace for cast iron is. The options are induction furnace, cupola furnace, electric arc furnace, gas furnace. The correct answer is B, is your cupola furnace. The question number 26 is most accurate casting process is your sand casting, die casting, investment casting or centrifugal casting. The correct answer is C, that is your investment casting. Question number 27 is the hot tearing caused by. The hot tearing actually it is a casting defect. The options are high fluidity, gas entrapment, restricted contraction or low pouring temperature. The correct answer is your C, restricted contraction. Question number 28, chaplets are used to. chaplet किसके लिए यूज होता है? So the options are cool the metal, support core, increase mold strength or reduce gases. The correct answer is your support core. The question number 29 is your solidified metal in channels is called. The options are fettling, sprue scrap, blister or flash. The correct answer is your sprue scrap. Question number 30 is the weak mold strength causes. The options are blowholes, misron, cross defect or hot tear. The correct answer is C, that is your cross defect. Question number 31. Fluidity means hardness, ability to flow, cooling rate or strength. The correct answer is your ability to flow. Question number 32 is tumbling is used for melting metal, cleaning castings, making molds or pouring metal. The correct answer is your B, that is your cleaning casting. Question number 33 is your vent holes provided for. The options are strength, gas escape, hardness, faster cooling. The correct answer is your gas escape, that is your option B. Question number 34, that is your die casting uses. The options are sand molds, metal molds, wax molds or ceramic molds. The correct answer is your B, that is your metal molds. Question number 35 is the best for mass production. That means in these four options, which casting process is best for mass production? The options are sand casting, die casting, cell molding or pit casting. The correct answer is your die casting. The die casting actually of two types, die casting two types. One is your hot chamber die casting, hot chamber. One is your cold chamber. Then the question number 36 is your cleaning of casting is options are machining, fettling, molding or pouring. The correct answer is your B, that is called fettling process. The cleaning of casting is known as fettling process. Question number 37 is your blowholes caused by blowholes is a casting defect. The options are gas entrapment, low temperature, high strength or clean metal. The correct answer is your gas entrapment. Question number 38 is your green sand binder is the options are resin, bentonite clay, water and wax. The correct answer is your B is your bentonite clay. Question number 39 is your skimmer removes gas, impurities, extra sand or flash. The correct answer is your B, that is your impurities. Question number 40, irregular metal flow causes, the options are blowholes, mishran, penetration or cold shot. The correct answer is your mishran. Question number 41 is annealing improves. It is a annealing is a heat treatment process. So it improves what? The options are hardness, ductility, brittleness or roughness. The correct answer is your B, that is your ductility. Question number 42 is patting sand prevents. The options are strength, permeability, sticking or finish. The correct answer is your C, that is your sticking. Question number 43 is large casting made by. The options are cell molding, pit molding, die casting or plaster molding. The correct option is your pit molding. Question number 44 is screw well helps to. Options are reduce turbulence, removes gases, C, hold sand or increase strength. The correct answer is your A, that is your reduce turbulence. Question number 45 is your pattern without draft allowance. The options are split pattern, cove pattern, loose pattern or cell pattern. The correct option is C, that is your loose pattern. Question number 46 is your metal penetration means. The options are metal fills cavity, metal enters sand pores, metal solidifies late or metal cools early. The correct answer is your B, that is metal enters sand pores. Question number 47 is your refractoriness means. The options are resist sticking, resist heat, flow ability or absorb moisture. The correct answer is your B, that is resist heat. Question number 48 is final finishing is. The options are pouring, fettling, ramming or settling. The correct answer is your B, that is fettling. Question number 49 is produced by centrifugal force. The options are investment casting, die casting, centrifugal casting and lost foam casting. The correct option is your C, that is your centrifugal casting. Question number 50, that is your last question, is very important. CO2 hardened mold is, the options are green mold, cell mold, CO2 mold or dry mold. The correct option is CO2 mold. एवरीवन, आप सबको थैंक यू क्योंकि आप लोग लास्ट तक वीडियो देखे और जो भी डाउट है आप मुझे कमेंट में पूछ सकते हैं। तो ये पार्ट 1 वीडियो है और एक वीडियो पार्ट 2 आएगा जल्दी मेटल कास्टिंग की टॉपिक से। इट्स वेरी यूजफुल फॉर योर RRB JE examination, that is your upcoming examination, and SSC JE also, and any state government technical examination. सो थैंक यू। तो वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो उसको शेयर कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल को और बहुत से बहुत ज्यादा लाइक कीजिए।